Did you know there's a gold mine right in your pocket? That's right, a platform with over 1 billion users just waiting for you to tap into their needs. Meet Instagram. And no, it's not just for your vacation pics anymore. All right, let's rewind a few years, and Instagram was primarily about sharing moments. Today, well, it's a marketplace, a showcase, a networking event, and so much more. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a professional, Instagram is where your future clients are hanging out. But with such massive growth, how do you stand out? Well, let's dive in. All right, first and foremost, authenticity sells. Remember Lisa, she's an artist from New York. Well, instead of just showcasing her finished pieces, she shares behind the scenes glimpses, her failures, her inspirations, and her process. The result? A 250% growth in art commissions in just 6 months. It's not just about the posts anymore. Use all that Instagram offers. Carlos, a fitness coach from Miami, started using Reels to showcase quick workouts. He then utilized IGTV for longer tutorials. The impact? 300 new clients in a year and collaborations with fitness brands. Numbers tell a story, and Instagram's insights, that's your bestseller. So listen, it's called social media for a reason. So be social. Engage with comments, respond to DMs, and join conversations relevant to your niche. Did you know research from 2022 shows that brands that actively engage have a 60% higher chance of conversion? So be present and be active. Two heads are better than one, especially on Instagram. When a photographer from an LA and a model from Paris collaborated for a virtual shoot, their combined audiences meant double the exposure. Both saw a surge in booking. The lesson? Collaborate across borders, industries, and mediums. Got some budget handy? Well, don't underestimate Instagram ads. Tailored to your audience, they can be a real game changer. A recent case study revealed a local shoe brand increasing their sales by 400% using well-targeted Instagram ads. So invest wisely. Now remember, Instagram is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So post consistently, engage regularly, and adapt with the changing trends. Those who remain consistent win. The only constant on Instagram is change. With new features rolling out regularly, staying up to date is crucial. Participate in webinars, join communities, and most importantly, never stop learning. So, are you ready to transform your Instagram game? Remember, every like, comment, and share can be a potential client. It's a world of opportunity out there, so go ahead and grab yours now.